Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can add your calendar onto your website, which was built on Butternut AI. So there are two ways you can add actually three ways you can add your calendar on your website. One is as a section. So you can add a section and say add Calendly. You can pick Calendly or book an appointment here. So it will add this section, or you can also add it as a page. Go here and say book an appointment. It created this page. Now, how can I add my calendar here? It's very easy. So there are two ways. If you're using Calendly, you can use this first option, but if you're using some other calendar, you can use the second option. So first I'll show you how to add your calendar on this website. So just click on add calendar URL. Here, Calendly did a URL. So go to your Calendly, and if you want to whichever calendar you would like to integrate, just copy the link, come here and paste it. And once you hit save changes, it will start showing your calendar. But in case you're not using Calendly and you are using some other calendar app, then also it is very easy. So each of those applications you're using, they must be providing an embed code. So here, as an example, so I'm using TidyCal. So if you go to their calendar, they'll provide you a way to embed your calendar onto your website. So you just need to find that, embed code. So embed in email, embed on website. So let's say I am clicking on this, embed on website. So it will show me a code. Just copy this code, come back to your website and say add custom integration code. Click here and just save this. And see, it started showing me my TidyCal. So you can do this with any other calendar. Just copy the embed code and come and paste it here, and your calendar will be integrated onto your website. So this is how you can just integrate book an appointment or calendar onto your website easily.